Okay.
You know how we do. We are here again. Hey, Lolwe TV Fitness all day, every day. See at Mondays, Wednesday, and Friday, all day, every day. Because you find us on your socials, man. Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, Twitter, tuko kila mahali. We are there on demand. Anytime you feel like you want to work out, join us. Just get into your socials, get into YouTube, key us in Lolwe TV Fitness. Whichever episode you want, you go pale. If you feel that you can keep up 5:30 Monday, Wednesday, Friday, find us on Lolwe TV Fitness. Just search the channel Lolwe TV. So find us there 5:30 in the AM and join us, work out. When you join us, bring a friend, bring a neighbor, bring a sibling, bring everyone. So today we're about to play with some toys. We came in with Mambo kidogo. Ivy, are you ready? Are you ready, sir? Are you ready? Ready. I like this one. Shoulders comes back. So that's something to you. I'm just saying. I'm just putting it out there. Sindio, tupige mazoezi, tukule tizi, tukae vizuri. This cold is not adding any value to our lives, I swear. So tusijifunge, don't hibernate. Yes. So we'll start easy. We will tap. We always have music. Nayo. Hey, go here. Hey, tap your toes. Swing your hands. Swing. Hey. Swing your makabsa. Work for. Hey. Warm up comes in many different forms. Hey. Remember to smile, guys. Aye, let's go faster. Hey. Hey. Do you? Go low. Hey. I bring it in. High knees. That's it. Hey. Do you? Enda na mikono. Fungua mikono. Songesha mikono. Usipige jirani yako lakini. See, I'm being nice to Ivy. Yes. Hey. I pull back. Open up your chest. Miguu. I love working out. I feel so nice. Yeah, break a sweat. Baridi tutasa baitaki makasiriko. Yeah. Hey. March it out. Up. Hey. Always have funky music behind you. Second keep boring. Ha. Hey. Sasa. Tatu kwanza tu kazi sahi. Pima shoulders zako. That's how wide your feet should be. Yes. If you have a mat like me, use the edges. Yes. Kupima so that you don't go too wide. You don't want to be uncomfortable. You'll hurt yourself. So I need you in a comfortable position. At least it's just far enough. So that when we go down, to go to sawa, sindio? So we'll do 10 squats. Easy maneno, hatuna mambo mob. Sindio? So you go for 10. Ready? Remember, when you go down, just go as low as you can. And when you come up, squeeze the glutes. So you go low. When you come up, yes, use your hands. They propel you. That's 2. I'm counting. Hata za ku demonstrate. 3. Let's go. 4. 8. 5. 6. Do you? 7. Let's go. 8. 9. Last one. 10. Match it out. Was that hard?
No.
Okay. You have no excuse not to join us. Try. It's the best way to know if you can or you can't. Yes? Hey. Sasa tunataka kubadilisha kidogo. We'll do. Bring it back. Alright? We lunge. Legs. Yo. Balance. Balance. Yes. Sharing is caring. Alright? Sharing is caring. So of course, we go for 10, alright? Are we ready? I pray that you have some space. If you don't have space, if you can't go wide enough, again, use your shoulders. Use your shoulders. Easily you can just step in front, alright? This is just juju. Alright? Are we ready? 3, 2, 1, let's go. Step. Yes. Chest out always 2. Alright, let's go. 3. Let's go. 24. And breathe. And 5. Smile bun. And 6. Here we go. And 7. Let's go. And 8. Yo. Smile. Encourage your friend. 9. Last one. Finish strong. Yo. Eh? You need to active break. Lolwe. Hakuna kuboeshana hapa. We like dance breaks. We like dance breaks. What they said. What they said. Oh, this is an active rest. How we go? 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, and smile. And 6, 7, 8, 9, and 8. Woo. Active. Go. Yeah? It's important. Yeah? When you're resting, sisimame tu hapo. Fanya kitu, si ndio? Fanya kitu. So now we had toys. Tumetoka chini. Sasa tunapanda juu. So we have a kettlebell. 6 kilos. Kazi yake ni rahisi sana. Let's teach Ivy how to play with these things. These small things. Remember that kabirika you had in the house? Practice.
Can I try?
Yeah?
Can I try more so?
Nakwambia. Now you're being told to serve tea. The visitors are there. You're shaking. You don't know where to hold. You're here. Yeah? So here, rahisi. We'll do. Nafanya tu rahisi. Yes. All right. You come up. No. Your hand stays straight down. Yes. So, yes. Leave it. Come up. And when you build, when you pick it up, remember to go down with your knees, because you use your legs to push yourself. Don't hurt your back. Because if you do this, it's your back that's getting hurt. All right? Yes. Yep. That's good. All right. Are we ready? We're going for 10. All right? Are we ready?
We are.
Nyumbani, are we ready? Kama hauna kettlebell. Chukua jerrycan ya maji. 5 liters. 5 liters. This thing is 6 kilos. That jerrycan is about 5 kilos. So, uko tu sawa. All right? Don't be in a hurry. Don't start heavy unless you're strong enough. As long as you're using the right technique, haina shida, you'll be all right. Sindio? So, Ivy, 20. Are we ready? Remember, it's always your legs. Yes? I have 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Hey, drop. Hey. Yo. 2. Yes. 3. Ha. 4. Hey. 5. 6. And smile. Ha. And 8. Ha. And 9. And 10. Doyo. So tumemaliza. Hey. Sisi tunapenda dance break. Hey. Hey. Very simple. Very simple. At 20 stress, at 20 pressure. We work on the small muscles. We work on everyday movements. Things we do every day. We lift things in the house. We lift things in the office. We lift things, small things, everywhere. Unabeba mtoto. This is the size of at least a 2-month-old baby, so you need this type of strength. So now we switch things kidogo. Now we lift. Now we picked. We picked. Now we lift. All right. So this is it. You place it on your shoulder. Yes. And push it up. Yes. You push it up. Push. That's it. Yes. Aim for this to come closer to your ear. For your shoulder to come closer to your ear. Let me stand behind you. Alright, let's push it up. Yes. Yes. Now don't slide. Yes. Do you? Aya. Are we ready? I will start with my left side. Please. Alright. Are we ready? 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Slowly. Don't jack your hand. 2. Nice. Let's go. 3. Breathe. There we go. 4. 8. 5. Nice. Let's go. 6. Place it gently. Don't hurt your shoulder. 7. Nice. She's counting. 8. I like it. 9. And whoa. There you go. How did that feel? Did a sting come up? It did. All right. Sharing is caring. We balance. Alright, let's go. Remember to gently place it. No, turn your hand. You can, yes. Huh? No. Your fingers going through. You can put it down and pick it up again. Yes. How you hold it, then you turn it. Yes. There you go. Right? So when you bring it back, place it gently. Don't bang it to your shoulder. We don't want complications. Alright? Are we ready? 3, 2, 1, let's go. 1. Let's go. 2, 3, 4, let me step behind. 5, let's go. Bend your knees slightly. Bend your knees below. 20. It's different. 8. Let's go. 9. And 10. Right. That was good. Shake it out. There you go. I like this one. She's active. Hey. Yes? Aya. Kidogo too. So, now we pick it. We'll take it down. Yes, then you bring it here. Your front, yes? So you go opposite side. We go again. I think until you get the hang of it, we'll go one side 5 times and then we'll go the other side. Alright? Are we ready at home? Did you find your thing? Make sure you're safe. Ikikata, use your hands. Use your hands. The resistance is very important. Learn the technique. Because you can, so that next time when you have a weight, however heavy it is, you have control. So, maybe 20. Oh. All right, are we ready? 3, 2, 1. Remember always to slightly bend your knees. Yes, soft knees. Are you ready? 3, 2, 1. We start on the left. Yes. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. 1. Let's go. 2. Nice. Let's go. 3. Nice. 4. Breathe. 5. Opposite side. 1. Nice. Chest out, Ivy. Chest out, yes. 4 and 5. Rest. Unakuboeka hapa. Tumeka you're looking for. Hata kwa tutafanya. Do you know how to hold? At the time, I was against this thing, but it took me off my brains. Before I knew it, I was holding everywhere. I was just like, my head bobbing. It's taking like it too. Yeah, but it's not what music takes you to a different place every time. Yes, that was our break. And now we go back. Now we do 5, then we do the ones we started with. Literally, let's start from here. Let's go backwards. We finished with this, remember? So we go 5, and then we do this. Alright? 5, then we pick them up. Oh, ready? 3, soft knees. Ready? Always balance. Ready? 3, 2, 1, let's go. 1, nice. 2, sawa. 3, 4, 5, opposite side. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And put it down for a second and pick it back up. This one is omnibus, Nani. Let's go 5, each. Yeah? Ready? 3, 2, 1, let's go. Push. Drop. 2, nice. 3, 4, and switch. Upper. Lace it. Yes. Ready? 3, 2, 1, let's go. 1, nice. 2, don't jack your hand. 3, softly. 4, and 5. Place it on the ground. 1 second. We pick it up. Straight hand, remember? 1, yes. Squeeze when you come up. 3, straight hand. 4, straight hand down. 5, Ivy straight hand. Are you ready? 3, 2, 1, let's go. 1, good job. Relax your shoulder. 3, 4, 5. That's it. Put this weight to the side. As we stretch. Push your palm as far as you can. Stretch those arms. Swing your legs. You've been squatting, you've been working. So once again, thank you very much. Switch. Thank you very much for joining us again. You guys have been brilliant. Thank you so much for your support. Thank you for your comments. Thank you for every kind word that you say to us. Thank you for your suggestions. Thank you for even watching. We appreciate you. We take it very seriously that you take your time. You give us your time to work out with us, yes. You know where to find us. Lolwe TV Fitness, fit together. You know where to find us. Lolwe TV Fitness. Find us on our socials. Palms push out, yes. Find us on our socials. We're on Facebook, we're on YouTube, we're on Insta, we are on Twitter, we are everywhere. Hata TikTok. Tunakuja. So yes, if there's an episode you missed, or maybe you feel like you want to rewatch this one and you want to have your friends over or relatives or anyone, feel free. Enter YouTube, Lolwe TV Fitness. You'll find us there. You can find many more episodes. There's so many episodes. My God, you can't even finish. Yes, Awezi Maliza. I've been your host, Afrofab, and the lovely Ivy keeps coming back. Excites my life to death. Yes, she's always here with us, and yes, and for you as well. You've been our guest, our host with the most. Karibuni sana next time. Tunawapenda. Ivy, we appreciate you. We love you. And have a beautiful day.
Namaste.
Namaste. Karibuni.
Okay.